I know that this is a lot to take in.
How long have you been carrying this?
3 months.
So the nukes aren't undergoing routine maintenance?
If the gravity trackers fail, they're our last line of defense.
And you're confident this will work?
Yes. Yes, Grace.
Why are you telling me this now? Why bring me in?
Because the playing field has just changed. Information has gotten into the wild
And you need me to contain it?
I'm sorry. I didn't want to worry you with any of this. You don't have to stay.
Well, I can't leave. Not now. Harris, if I stay, no more secrets.
No more secrets.